going to have an examples on evaluation on functions. Suppose we have f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 1. Find the following. A, f of 3. B, f of negative 2. C, f of square root of x. And D, f of x plus 1. Sa process of evaluating functions, we are going to substitute the value of x with the given x inside the parentheses. So, kung anong value na nasa loob ng parentheses, yun ang isa-substitute natin sa value of x. So, we have A, f of 3. Given that ang f of x natin is 4x squared plus 1. So, we have f of 3 is equal to 4 times 3 squared plus 1. By rule of Gemdas, tatandaan natin ang rule ng Gemdas. Grouping symbol, exponent, multiplication and or division, addition and or subtraction. Dapat mauuna ang grouping symbol, followed by the exponents, then interchange lang pwede sa multiplication at division, at saka ang addition and subtraction. So, mauuna atang exponent, so itong uunahin natin i-simplify. So, f of 3 is equal to 4 times 9 plus 1. Since 3 squared is actually equal to 3 times 3, which is equal to 9. Now, we will proceed first with multiplication before addition. So, we have 4 times 9, f of 3 is equal to 36 plus 1. So, 36 plus 1, f of 3 therefore is equal to 37. Therefore, the value of f of 3 in the function 4x squared plus 1 is equal to 37. Paano naman ang letter B? F is equal f of negative 2. So, we will do the same as our example in letter A. We have f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 1. So, we have f of negative 2 is equal to 4 times negative 2 quantity squared plus 1. By law of Gemdas, mauuna ang pag-simplify ng exponent. So, we have f of negative 2 is equal to 4 times negative 2 raised to the power of 2 is positive 4. Bakit? Kasi negative 2 raised to the power of 2 is equal to negative 2 times negative 2, which is equal to negative 2 times negative 2, we have positive 4. In the laws of integers, negative times negative is equal to positive. So we have 4 times 4 plus 1. By multiplication, we have f of negative 2 is equal to 16 plus 1. F of negative 2 is equal to 16 plus 1, which is 17. Therefore, if f is f of negative 2 in the function 4x squared plus 1, f of negative 2 is equal to 17. So we have example letter C, f of square root of x. So same process ang gagawin natin as we did in A and B. So f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 1. So if f of square root of x is equal to 4 times square root of x raised to the power of 2 plus 1. In law of radicals, a square root raised to the power of 2 will eliminate the radical sign. Since ang square root of x is equal to x raised to the power of 1/2. However, multiply natin siya, in-raise pala natin siya to the power of 2. So, by law of exponents, i-multiply natin yung exponent. We have x 1/2 times 2. I-multiply natin ang 1/2 at saka 2, we have x to the power of 1 or equal to x. So dito, ma-eliminate na ang square root. So we have 4x plus 1. Wala na tayong i-combine na like terms since 4x and 1 are different terms. Therefore, the answer, when in the function f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 1, if given is f of square root of x is equal to 4x plus 1. We have example letter D, f of x plus 1. So we're going to evaluate the function 4x squared plus 1 given that we have this f of x plus 1. So, our solution, we will still follow the process that we made during the first 3 examples. So, gagayahin lang natin kung ano yung mga ginawa natin sa A, B, at saka sa C. So, our solution, we have f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 1. So, papalitan natin lahat ng x ng x plus 1. So, we have 4 times x plus 1 quantity squared plus 1. We can use the special product for the square of a binomial. Tatandaan natin sa square of a binomial, a plus b quantity squared is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So, gagamitin muna natin dito para ma-expand ang binomial. So, we have 4 times, let a be x, and b is equal to 1. So, we have 4 times x squared plus 2 times 1 times x, 2 times x times 1 plus 1 squared plus 1. This one is derived mula doon sa formula natin sa square of a binomial. So, we have 4 times x squared plus 2 times x times 1. We have 2x plus 1 plus 1. After that one, we will multiply. So, we have 4. I-distribute natin ang 4 sa x squared, 2x, at saka sa 1. So, we have 4x squared plus 4 times 2x plus 4 times 1 plus 1. I-multiply na naman natin. So, we have 4x squared plus 8x plus 4 plus 1. Now, to combine like terms, i-combine na lang natin yung 4 at saka yung 1. To get the final answer, we have 4x squared plus 8x plus 5. Therefore, in evaluating f of x is equal to 4x squared plus 1, given that f of x plus 1, we have 4x squared plus 8x plus 5.